You giving it to Grandpa, you big boy?
Thank you.
You're learning to give and take. Look.
Thank you.
Nice.
I did that for you. Thank you.
What, you gonna give it to Grandpa?
Oh, yeah.
Let me see. Let me see. Ah. You gonna give Grandpa the envelope?
Grandpa.
Nice.
Thank you.
Clap hands. Let's clap hands. I can't clap. I'm holding the phone. Clap your hands.
But he can't clap either. He's standing up.
Yeah, can't clap. Busy boy. Who's so busy? Lots of interesting things. The toilet set. Be careful. Isaac, watch him. Oh.
Thank you. Thank you, you pretty bug. Will you touch me again?
Yeah. Grandma too?
Thank you.
Thank you. You want to take it back? I love you.
Thank you. Thank you. Oh.